Get ready to meet the all-new 2025 Ram 1500 RHO, Ram's sportiest beast yet. It might not be a direct replacement for the TRX, but this bad boy is set to dominate Ram's new sport truck lineup, which includes the Rebel, Warlock, and Power Wagon. Under the hood, we have the high-output version of Stellantis' Hurricane engine. This turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six pumps out a whopping 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. 0 to 60, just 4.6 seconds, and it hits 100 miles per hour in 11.7 seconds, quarter mile. A cool 13.1 seconds at 105 miles per hour, top speed. 118 miles per hour, but it's not just about speed. The RHO comes equipped with Bilstein's Black Hawk E2 adaptive performance shocks, the same ones used on the TRX but retuned for the RHO's lighter weight. Behind the transmission, you got a Borg-Warner 48-13 full-time active transfer case with beefed-up internals and a low range of 2.6-to-1. At the rear, there's a Dana 60 axle with full floating axle shafts, an electronic differential, and an axle hop damper. And for all you off-road enthusiasts, the RHO features a high-flow induction system with an easy-to-access high-capacity radial air filter for quick field cleaning. The RHO is 8 inches wider than the standard 1500, thanks to its composite fender flares. These flares house a 6-inch wider track, 18-inch beadlock wheels, and 35-inch tires. The unique hood, grille with a flow-through badge, LED headlights, steel bumpers, and skid plates make this truck look as fierce as it performs. Inside, the RHO is all about comfort and tech. Enjoy 12-way power leather front seats with heating, ventilation, and massaging functions, and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 14.5-inch infotainment display with the latest Uconnect system, and a 10.25-inch screen in front of the passenger with an HDMI plug for screen mirroring. Despite being designed for off-road adventures and jumps, the RHO can tow up to 8,380 pounds and has a payload capacity of 1,520 pounds. You can order it starting today with prices starting at $71,990, including a $1,995 destination charge. Look for it in Ram's sport truck lineup in the third quarter of 2024. Don't miss out on this powerhouse. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome truck content. Visit www.eve-riders.com for latest car news. See you in the next adventure.